Good evening, Bhavishya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, we finished the 15th one, right, in the last class?
Yes, ma'am. Up to 17 we finished, ma'am.
No. Let's take up the 18th one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the equation given to us. This is the equation given to us. We need to solve this equation for x. Okay, so you can see here, I've written down the equation again. Whatever was given to us. Then I've opened the bracket. You can see a bracket here. You can see a bracket here. In the next step, I've removed the bracket. How? By multiplying the sign which is outside the bracket with these two terms here. 1, 2. There are two terms inside the bracket. There are two terms inside the bracket. You can see here, there are two terms, meaning this is one fraction. This is the other fraction. Sorry. Yeah, so inside the bracket, we have two fractions. Yes or no, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if we have to remove the bracket, that means we need to multiply this minus sign with this term and the same minus sign with this term. Just a minute. Yeah, good evening, Nandana. We just started. All right, so there are two terms. There are two terms inside the bracket. So what we have to do is we'll have to multiply this minus sign to both the sign to both the terms inside the bracket. So let's see how we do that. Write x plus 2 by 6 as it is. See here, x plus 2 by 6 as it is. Then this is the fraction. This is the first fraction inside the bracket. There's no sign, so it's a plus sign. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus is minus. And write this term as it is, 11 minus x by 3. Next, multiply the minus sign to this term. So it's minus 1 by 4. Multiply that with the minus sign here. So minus into minus plus. And 1 by 4 as it is equal to 3x minus 4 by 12. So what we have done is we have just applied the minus sign to both the terms inside the bracket, thereby removing the bracket. We remove the bracket by multiplying this minus sign with both the terms inside the bracket. How does that happen? I repeat, minus into plus. This term is preceded by a plus sign. There's no sign, so it's plus. Minus into plus, minus, minus, and write that fraction as it is, 11 minus x by 3. Then again that minus sign, minus into minus, plus 1 by 4 as it is. So like this, we remove the bracket is equal to 3x minus 4 by 12. Now, as we always do, now there are four terms. There are three terms or three fractions on the left hand side, and there is one fraction on the right hand side. There's one fraction on the right hand side. There are three fractions on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3 fractions. Their denominators are 6, 3, and 4. And there is one fraction on the right hand side with denominator 12. So as we always do, we need to take up the denominators and find their LCM. So the LCM of 3, 4, 6, and 12 is 12. And after this, the procedure is familiar to you. We have to multiply every fraction or every term, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, all the 4 terms with the LCM 12. Do we know that, children? We know it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's what you see here. Every term is multiplied by, or every fraction is multiplied by 12. You can see it here. Every fraction is multiplied by 12. See it? Just observe. I'll just wait for 30 seconds. Observe the step.
Observe the step, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All right. Next, what? 6 ones are 6 twos are. So it will be 2 into x plus 2. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So minus 4 into 11 minus 6. 4 ones are 4 threes are. 3 into 1 is 3. Please look at your screen. Is equal to 12 and 12 gets cancelled. 12 ones are 12 ones are 12. So 3x minus 4 as it is. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
6 ones are 6 twos are 12. So 2 into
Yes,
x plus 2. Yeah, 2 into x plus 2. Then 3 ones are 3 fours are. So minus 4 into 11 minus 6. 4 ones are 4 threes are. 3 into 1 is 3. 12 and 12 cancels. 3x minus 4. Now we again have to open the bracket here. We need to multiply 2 with x and 2 with 2. So 2 into x is 2x here. 2 into x is 2x. And then plus into plus. We have to multiply 2 and 2. Both the 2's have a plus sign. Plus into plus is plus. 2 2's are 4. Then here we'll have to multiply minus 4 and plus 11. Minus 4 into plus 11. The sign for 11 is before it. It's here, plus 11. We have to multiply minus 4 and plus 11. Multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus. 4 into 11, 44. Minus 44. Next, we have to multiply minus 4 and minus x. Minus 4 and minus x. So how do you multiply minus 4 and minus x? Minus into minus, plus. 4 into x is 4x. So plus 4x. Plus 4x. And this plus 3 as it is. Plus 3 as it is equal to 3x minus 4. Next, we simplify the terms on the left hand side. We have 2x terms. 2x plus 4x plus 6x. Then plus 4 minus 44 plus 3 here. Plus 4 minus 44 plus 3. So we'll do 2 at a time. Minus 44 plus 4. Different signs. Subtract. When you do plus 4 and minus 44. Different signs. So we need to subtract 40. Put the sign of the greater number. Minus. Then we'll do that with plus 3. Again different signs. Subtract. Put the sign of the greater number. Is equal to 3x minus 4. Now gather the x terms on one side and the constants or the numbers on the other side. So this will travel minus 3x and this will travel plus 37. 3x will come to the left hand side as minus 3x. Minus 37 will travel to the right hand side as plus 37. 6x minus 3x is 3x. Minus 4 plus 37 is 33. So x is equal to 33 by 3, which is 11. So here there's only one new thing about this working. In the equation, there are two terms or two fractions enclosed in a bracket. We need to remove this bracket by multiplying the sign outside the bracket with the terms inside the bracket. That's all. Remove the bracket and then the procedure is the same. Understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take a screenshot, children.
Took screenshot, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the next question. So in the earlier question, there was a sign outside the bracket. There was a minus sign outside the bracket, and we had to open the bracket by multiplying the minus sign with the two terms inside the bracket. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here what we have is, here also on the right hand side, we have two terms. See here, this is one term minus, this is the other term. We have two terms inside the bracket, and outside the bracket, we have a number 1/4. There we had a sign minus. Here it's a number 1/4. In the bracket, we have x and we have 2 minus x by 6. We have these two terms separated by the minus sign. And outside the bracket, we have a number 1/4. So here to remove the bracket, you have to multiply 1/4. Here to remove the bracket, you have to multiply 1/4 with x and 1/4 with 2 minus x by 6. Tell me if you understand that.
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell one more time, ma'am?
Yeah, Nandana, tell me, what did you understand? Tell me, Nandana. How do you remove the bracket here? We have to. How do we remove the bracket? What is outside the bracket? Bhavishya, what do we have outside the bracket?
Ma'am, 1/4, ma'am.
So whatever is outside the bracket, that one should be multiplied. With what?
With the bracket
Number
numbers,
in the
ma'am.
bracket, ma'am.
With the terms in the bracket.
Brackets.
Whatever is outside the bracket. 1/4 is outside the bracket.
We should multiply the outside the number with.
Yeah. So you should multiply that number 1/4 with how many terms are there in the bracket?
Two terms. Ma'am.
Two terms, ma'am.
Which is the first term in the bracket?
X by
X.
1.
Very good. And what's the second term in the bracket?
2 minus
2
x by
minus
6.
x by 6, ma'am.
What is the separator? What is the sign between the two terms?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. So we have to remove the bracket, we'll have to multiply 1/4 with x and 1/4 with 2 minus x by 6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's do that. So see here, write this x as it is. Here in the LHS x as it is minus 2x plus 8 by 3 as it is. 2x plus 8 by 3 as it is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is equal to, now let's open the bracket. Let's multiply 1/4 into x. It's 1/4x. 1/4 into x is 1/4x. Then you have to multiply 1/4 and this one, 2 minus x by 6. What is the sign before 1/4? Plus. Plus into minus, minus. See, it's very simple how to put this. First, you should put the sign. Then only you should write the product. How to put the sign? You are multiplying what? You are multiplying 1/4. And what are you multiplying? 2 minus x by 6. So you will multiply these two. What is the sign before 1/4 plus? What's the sign before this minus? So my plus into minus, minus. That is what you see here. When you're multiplying the terms, you should multiply their signs first. Plus into minus, minus. Then we are multiplying 1 by 4. So here 1 by 4 and 2 minus x by 6. Minus 3 is outside the bracket. That should be written as it is. You should not multiply that by 1 by 4. So you can see here, you should not put a bracket, children, but you can see here 1 by 4 into x, we have multiplied. Minus, I told you how we get the minus sign. 1 by 4 into 2 minus x by 6. 1 by 4 into 2 minus x by 6. Minus 3. Minus 3. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's simplify that multiplication. So LHS, we write it as it is because nothing much now in the LHS. In the RHS, this one is written as it is. And here, multiply the numerators. 1 into 2 minus x is 2 minus x. Multiply the denominators. 6 4s are 24. Minus 3. So in this step, what we have done is we're just multiplying.
Yes.
Multiply the numerators. 2 minus x. 1 into 2 minus x is 2 minus x. Multiply the denominator. 6 into 4 is 24. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
yeah. Now, how many terms are there in the left-hand side?
Ma'am, 2 terms.
How many terms are there in the right-hand side? How many terms are there in the right-hand side?
3 terms.
3 terms. What are the denominators?
Denominators minus 1, 3, 4, and 24, ma'am.
Correct. 1, 3, 4, 24, and 1. That means 1, 3, 4, and 24. What is the LCM of the denominators? 24.
24, ma'am.
24. See now, when to start off with the LCM? That is the question. Okay, after this we know actually, but till when should we find the LCM? You should be able to make out the terms individually in the LHS and RHS. Here, this is one term. This is one term. There's no bracket. This is one term. This is one term. This is one term. Like this, the terms must be independent, separated by the plus or minus sign. At this stage, you can take the LCM. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you can take the LCM, when should you take up the LCM? That is when you have the terms independently like this. Here,
Yes.
this is one term, or this is the first term, this is the second term. You can see the separator minus. In the left-hand side, we have 2 terms. In the right-hand side, this is one term. Then minus, this is the second term. Then again minus, this is the third term. So like this, you can see the terms separately. There is no bracket. There is no bracket like this and something outside the bracket. We've removed the bracket. At this stage, you should take the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM is 24. Next, what do we do?
We should find the
We should
LCM,
multiply by
ma'am.
20.
Yeah, one by one. Let me ask Bhavishya. Bhavishya, what's the next step?
Ma'am, we should multiply by 24 into x like that, ma'am.
What should you multiply by 24?
Ma'am, that terms, ma'am.
How many terms are there in the LHS?
2 terms, ma'am.
You should multiply both the terms by?
24.
Okay, good. Nandana, how many terms in the RHS?
Ma'am,
How many
there are 3 terms, ma'am.
Okay, what will you do in the RHS to the 3 terms?
Ma'am, we need to multiply it with 24, ma'am, all the
Yeah.
terms.
Correct. We need to multiply every term by 24.
24.
And can you see that here happening?
Yes,
Here.
ma'am.
Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next, Bhavishya, explain the LHS.
Ma'am, 24 into x is equal to 24x, ma'am.
Very
Plus
good.
into minus minus And then we should put 24. We can cancel by 3,
What is that?
ma'am. 1 3s are 3.
Excuse me, Bhavishya. What is that plus
Huh?
into minus minus? We should write that minus
ma'am.
as it is. That minus as it
Okay,
is.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We can cancel by 3, ma'am. 1 3 is 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 2x plus 8, ma'am.
You'll have to multiply 8 and 2x plus 8. So like this we
X,
write
ma'am.
8 into 2x plus 8. Yeah. Then? Oh yeah, okay, you're done.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
then
Nandana RHS, Nandana, are you there?
yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
my servant bells are rang in door, ma'am.
sorry?
Ma'am, my servant in our house, she rang the bell, and so I went.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, we need to cancel. Ma'am, we need to cancel 4 and change it into 1. 24, 6, ma'am.
Okay, then?
1 and 1, ma'am. We should cancel 24 and 24, then 1, ma'am.
No. The 4, okay, 4 ones are 4 6 are 24. Then what's the answer?
We get it as 6x.
How 6x? That's what you should explain. How 6x?
Ma'am, because 6 into 1, 6, ma'am. And we nearby we have x, so we should directly put it
6x. Very good.
6x.
Okay, then here?
And here we need to 1 into 24 is 24, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, 1 into 24 is 24, ma'am.
Okay.
So we'll put it as 1 and 1, ma'am.
Okay.
After that, 1 into 2, we will put it as 2. And we should directly put the other derivatives.
1 minute. I'll tell you what I've done. So this minus sign as it is. Please unmute, ma. I think your phone is ringing. Yeah, Bhavishya, continue.
Put the ma'am after 6. After that, 1 into x we should put as it is, and 24 3s are 72,
Okay.
ma'am. Minus 72.
Yeah, correct. 1 minute. This minus comes down as it is. This minus as it is. Then we need to multiply 1 and 2 minus x. So let me put a 1 here. You can take it with a 1 here. Take it with the 1 here. 1. That minus comes as it is. And then 1 into 2 minus x. 1 in, because 24 ones are. Then 1 into 2 minus x is 1 into 2 minus x here. Correct. And then this minus as it is. 24 3s are 72. That's what you said. You're right. Okay, next, Bhavishya, LHS.
Ma'am, after that 24x minus 16, should 16x, ma'am.
How do you get
8
16?
ma'am, minus 8, minus we should put as it is, ma'am, and 8 into 2x is 16x, ma'am.
No, we should not put the minus as it is. We are multiplying minus 8 and 2x means what sign 2x has?
Plus 2.
Plus. So we are multiplying the signs. Minus into plus?
Minus.
Minus. 8 2s are?
16, ma'am.
16. 16x. Then
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
Yeah, next.
Ma'am, minus into plus again minus, ma'am, and to 864.
No, what are we multiplying? What are we multiplying next?
Ma'am, we should multiply 8 into 8, ma'am.
Please tell me with the sign, ma.
Ma'am, minus into plus minus and 8 into 864, ma'am. Minus 64.
Okay, so we are multiplying minus 8 and plus 8, correct? We are multiplying or minus into plus minus 8 8 is 64. We are multiplying the signs. See, when you are multiplying 8 and 8, this 8 outside has a minus sign. This is minus 8. Minus 8 into, this one is plus 8. Plus 8. Minus into plus minus. So that's why minus here. 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. Yeah, Nandana, RHS.
Ma'am, we should multiply plus 6x.
Yeah, tell me.
We should multiply plus 6x into plus 2.
No, because what is outside? What is immediately outside the bracket? See, when it is 6x minus, there's actually 1. I told you 24 ones are 24 ones are. There's a 1 outside there. There's a 1 here. 1 into 2 minus x.
Yes, ma'am.
You should multiply minus 1 with 2 and minus 1 with minus x.
Okay, ma'am. That means minus 1 into 2, no, ma'am.
Correct.
Okay.
See, let's treat it as 1 here. 24 ones are 24 ones are. So it is 1 into 2 minus x. So 6x will come as it is.
Okay.
Minus 1 into?
2, ma'am.
That means plus 2.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 1 into plus 2 plus.
What's the answer? What is minus 1 into plus 2? What is minus into plus?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. Minus 1, 2 are 2. That's what you see here. Next, what did you multiply?
Minus 1 into x.
Minus 1 into?
X, ma'am.
Should multiply minus 1 and?
X, ma'am.
What sign x has?
Plus, ma'am.
What is the sign before x here?
Minus 1.
No. 1 minute. It's minus 1. What is the sign before x?
Minus 6, ma'am.
Minus 1 into minus
No,
x.
minus 6.
Minus 1 into minus. No, you should tell me this clearly. Only then I can go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Minus 1 into plus 2 plus minus 1 into minus 6.
No, that's what. Minus 1 into plus 2, we finished. It's minus 2. Then we have to multiply minus 1 and?
Minus x.
Minus x. What is minus into minus?
Plus
1 into x?
1x.
Or simply x? 1x or simply x. So see here, plus x.
Okay.
Plus x. Minus 72. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. 72 will come as.
Both of you, do you understand the LHS and RHS?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what is 24x minus 16x?
8x, ma'am.
8x. And this minus 64 as it is. What is 6x plus x?
7x, ma'am.
Minus 2 minus 72?
Minus 74.
Minus 74.
And we should change 7x to, we should transpose this to the left hand side and it will become minus 7x, ma'am.
Correct. And then minus 64 will come to the
right hand. So minus 74 plus 64.
Correct. Very good. So minus 64 will come here as plus 64. 7x will come here as minus 7x. So 8x minus 7x is x. And minus 74 plus 64 is minus 10. So the value of x is equal to minus 10. Understood, children?
Yes, understood.
This is one more step ahead. So see here. In this question, in question number 18, there was only a sign outside the bracket. There was only a sign outside the bracket, so we have to multiply this minus sign with both the terms in the bracket. Then in this question, outside the bracket, there is a number. There is a number outside the bracket. So we have to multiply this number with the two terms inside the bracket. In this question, the bracket itself has to be simplified first. Okay, you can do it in 2 ways. So let me explain what I have got. Okay. Okay, so in this one, in the bracket, how many terms do we have?
2 terms, ma'am.
2
2
terms.
terms, ma'am.
Yeah, what will you do with 1 by 4?
Ma'am, we should multiply it.
Multiply
y,
into
ma'am.
y, ma'am.
Y. And then again multiply 1 by 4 with?
11 plus.
11 plus y by 3.
Okay, this one you both will tell me the answer. Tell me. Let me write. Bhavishya LHS.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandana
y
RHS.
minus 2y plus 6 by 3. We should write as it is, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Nandana. First term in the RHS.
1 by 4, ma'am.
1 by 4.
Bracket y.
No. Bhavishya.
Ma'am.
Oh, Nandana, you're telling me the question again. Huh? No, no. Tell me the first step in the answer.
Okay, ma'am. 1 by 4 y, ma'am.
1 by 4 y. Very good, very good. Yeah.
1 by 4 y minus 1 into 11 plus.
Oh, right. What should you multiply? Write it. Let's write it as it is. We'll have to multiply 1 by 4 and what?
Y. 1
You're
by
done?
4.
You're done with that. 1 by 4 and y you already multiplied. Next we have to multiply 1 by 4 with what?
11 plus y. 11 plus y by 3.
Yeah. So write it as it is. The next step we can multiply. Should we multiply 1 by 4 with minus 2, Bhavishya?
Ma'am. No, ma'am. We should put as it is minus 2, ma'am.
Why? Why should we not multiply 1 by 4 with minus 2?
Ma'am, because it is outside the bracket, ma'am.
Very good. Because it is outside the bracket. Only the terms inside the bracket must be multiplied by 1 by 4. Very good. Yes, let me write the left hand side as it is because there is no change there. Yeah, Bhavishya will tell us. What's the answer for this one? Multiply this, Bhavishya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for that we should cancel we can cancel that 4 and 3. For 4 and 3, LCM is 12, ma'am.
No, it's multiplication. So we have to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 into 3.
1 into 11 plus y.
Yes, ma'am. After that, 4 into 3, ma'am.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you also write it as this one? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
1 into 11 plus y is anyways the same thing. 1 into anything is the same thing. Let me write it again for you. Let me write it again. Yeah. See your children, minus 11, 1 into 11 plus y, correct? 1 into 11 plus y, yes or no?
11
what is 1
plus
into 11 plus y?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm sorry, I was not listening to you, sorry. What is 1 into 11 plus y? What is 1 into anything? Same thing.
11.
1 into
11
anything
plus
same.
y.
Yeah, so we'll write the same thing, 11 plus y. Y, what is 4 into 3? 12.
12.
Yeah, next minus 2. Now, tell me how many terms are there in the left hand side?
2 terms, ma'am.
How many terms on the right hand side?
3 terms.
Yeah, now are the terms free? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. They are free now. There is
Now
no
we should
bracket.
find the LCM, ma'am.
Very good. Who said that?
And Nandana.
Yeah, now even Bhavishya knows that, right? Now you should find the LCM. Yes or no? Yeah, very good.
Yes.
So LCM of the denominators 1, 3, 4 and 12 is 12.
12.
Now from here, continue children. From here, you know the procedure.
Yes.
Let me see
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
get the correct answer. Both of you work it now. You can
Yes,
just do it in your rough notebook because in the classwork you have to complete 18 and 19. So somewhere behind the classwork, you can do it. Don't copy the question, just continue from here. You can do it on your classwork later. Just continue from here and tell me the answer for y. I'll just get back, children. Please work.
I'm completed, ma'am.
Yes, children. Vishya and Nandana.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, y is equal to 59 by 8, ma'am.
Y is equal to 59 by 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll have to unshare my screen to check the answer. Just a second. No. No, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you haven't sent me the link for today's class, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is -1.
Answer is
-1.
no. Oh, that was Swati, huh?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't even receive the link, ma'am.
Oh, how did you join then?
Ma'am, I called Nandana, ma'am. Her mother picked up and she gave me the link, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Let me check, ma. I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, children, it is not. Okay, you just read out the step. But what have you got after the LCM? You've multiplied, you found the LCM and then you've multiplied every term with 12, right? You've multiplied every term with 12. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
term after that. Yeah, I'm sorry, read the equation after that, children.
Okay, ma'am.
12y.
Ma'am, 12y minus 4 2y plus 6, ma'am.
Very good. Is
Is
equal to
equal 3y minus 11 plus y.
minus.
11 plus y, ma'am.
Correct. After that, minus 24. Have you written that or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. What's the next step? What's the step after that?
12y minus 8. Mama, we should multiply 4 into 2y, ma'am.
Very good.
Minus 8, 12y minus 8y, and after that we should multiply 4 into 6, 4 into 6, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, after that plus 24, ma'am.
No, it's not plus 24. No, it's not plus 24. See, you're multiplying 4 and 6, Bhavishya. You're multiplying
Yes,
4 and 6. What is the sign preceding 4?
minus, ma'am.
And preceding 6?
Plus.
What is minus into plus?
Minus, ma'am.
4, 6 are 24. It's minus 24. Just a minute.
Yes,
Just a minute. Yeah, children. Yeah. So
after
12y. So 12y minus 8y minus 24. Bhavishya, you've gone wrong there. It's not
okay,
plus 24, it's minus 24. Yes, is equal to, yes, Nandana, RHS.
Ma'am, minus 33y plus 1y.
Minus 33y, yeah?
No, ma'am. Minus 33.
Swati, since you joined in the middle, I'm not sure if you're doing this.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I was a bit collapsed with that question, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I'll share the recording.
can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell the answer, ma'am?
Yes, Bhavishya, yes.
Ma'am, We should add 3y plus y, ma'am. So 4y it is coming, ma'am.
No. What do you have in the RHS? RHS, what are the terms?
Ma'am, 3y minus 11 plus y minus 24, ma'am.
That's what, Bhavishya. This again, see, you've gone wrong. It's not plus 5, ma. Minus, there is minus 1 outside. And y, minus 1 into y plus y is minus y. So you've gone wrong with the signs.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not plus y, it's minus y. Okay, then after that?
Ma'am, after that, we should minus 3y and...
No, Bhavishya, the terms 3y minus 11.
Minus y and minus 24, ma'am.
Yeah, so see, you have got the equation correct, but you've gone wrong in the signs in 2 places. That is why you have not got the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let me share my screen. Nandana and Bhavishya, please have a look at the answer. One second, I'll just share my screen. Is it visible now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see, Nandana, you'll have to, you have got it right till here. Till where, Nandana? Till, one second. Till here. You're right till here, Nandana. You're right till here. See, 12 and 12 cancels and you get a 1 here. 1 into 11 plus y. Nandana, you have got this step. After this, you have gone wrong, Nandana. These terms you have not written correctly. She's not in the meeting. Okay, Nandana was talking as if you were there in the meeting, but I think you left and just joined. Right? You're still not there. Okay, Nandana, you were not in the meeting for some time, but I was talking to you. I was telling you that.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Nandana. See here, you have gone wrong here. 3y, you must write as it is. You need to multiply minus 1. There's a 1 here. There's a 1 here. So minus 1 into, see,
and we should multiply that 1 only, ma'am.
minus 1 into 11. Minus 1 into 11. Minus into plus is minus. There's nothing. That means there's a plus sign here. I've told you when you're multiplying 2 terms, multiply their signs first. Multiply their signs first. So there's a minus 1 here. You're multiplying minus 1 and plus 11. Minus into plus minus 11. 1 into 11 is 11. Minus 11. Then minus 1 into plus y. Minus 1. You're not seeing the screen, Nandana. You're mostly, not mostly, you're sometimes doing your own work when I'm explaining. That's why I think you make mistakes sometimes. When I'm explaining, please look at your screen. Now you'll have to multiply minus 1 and plus y. When you multiply, minus into plus is minus, 1 into y is y, minus y. Bhavishya, you went wrong here. You put this plus y as it is.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you're multiplying minus 1 and plus y. Minus 1 and plus y. 1 into y is y. Minus into plus is minus.
Okay, ma'am.
Minus y. Minus 24. Now you know what to do. You'll have to transpose and, gather the y terms on one side, numbers on the other side, and find the value of 4. Just have a look at the answer, children. Just give me a minute. Have a look at the answer. Got it, children?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
12 and 12 cancels, there's a 1. So it's minus 1 into 11 plus y. Minus 1 into 11 plus y. It's okay if you don't write that 1 also. It's okay if you don't write that 1. See, at 12 ones. See here it is 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 4 into 2y plus 6. 4 into 2y plus 6. But here 12 ones are 12 ones are. It's 1 into 11 plus y. It's okay. It's 1, no, so you don't have. If you want, you can put a 1 outside here. Otherwise, you can ignore it. You can take 1 if you feel that's more convenient to understand. You can take 1 there. So when you multiply these two, you get minus 11. When you multiply these two, you get minus y, because minus into plus is minus. Minus 24, and then taking the y terms to one side, constants to the other side, the value of y is minus 11 by 2. Take a screenshot, children. So we have done 18, 19, 20. All important questions. 18, 19, 20 we have done. Take screenshots.
Ma'am, can you show me those 18th and 19th question?
Took screenshot, ma'am.
This is the 18th one, Swati.
Yes, ma'am, took screenshot.
19th one. And this is the 20th one.
Took screenshot, ma'am.
Okay, good. All right, children. Let's move on to the next one, 21. So please, children, complete your work. Soon after the class, complete your work. Take pictures. That's why I didn't allow you to write in the classroom now. So please take pictures of your work and share it on WhatsApp with me by 7 p.m. today. Before 7 o'clock. That means I want you to, as soon as I wind up the class, I want you to complete your work and share the pictures with me. Yeah. So see this one. Solve for x. Solve for x. So at this point, I need to introduce two identities to you. OK, so there is an algebraic identity. For now, you just take the identity. In the chapter algebraic identities, we will understand how these identities are derived. In some schools in as early as 7th standard, they introduced identities to you. It's OK, we'll see them this year. I'll just give you the identities, how they are derived. How do we come up with that identity? That we'll see when we take up the chapter algebraic identities. Okay, so the first one is a plus b the whole square is equal to a. You don't have to write anything, children. Don't write anything. Is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, when I look at 2x plus 3 the whole square, it looks like a plus b the whole square. Yes or no? Does 2x plus 3 the whole square look like a plus b the whole square?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then a goes with what? A goes with
2x.
2x, ma'am.
2x. And b goes with
3.
3. See, you understood. It goes with 3. Now, if it is a plus b the whole square, it is a square b square 2ab. If it is 2x plus 3 the whole square, a is 2x and b is 3. So wherever you have a, use 2x. Where you have b, use 3. Isn't that simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see here, now we just have to look at this one as, this one is a plus b the whole square. And this one is a minus b the whole square. So when you compare this with a plus b the whole square, a is 2x and b is 3. Understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you compare this with a minus b the whole square, a is 2x, b is 3. Because minus we have. So b is 3. So now what you have to do is you'll have to make use of the identity. Wherever there is A, you say 2x. And where there is B, you say 3. That's all. The identities are like this. The identities are like this. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Or you can write it in any order. You can also write A square plus 2AB plus B square. Order is fine. You can write A square plus 2AB plus B square also. And A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. The difference is with plus 2AB and minus 2AB. It's A square plus B square in both the cases. In one it is plus 2AB, in the other it is minus 2AB. You can also write it as A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Is it understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I've written the identities. So I told you can write it like this or like this. Here, both are the same. Both are the same. These two. A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. I think you would have memorized now the identities.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, children. Now let's begin. Now when we look at, I'm not writing the question again. I'm solving. Now when you look at 2x plus 3 the whole square, it's like A plus B the whole square. Okay. What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square plus B square. So what is A? 2x. A square plus 2 into A into B. 2 into 2x into 3 plus B square. 3 square. That is the answer for 2x plus 3 the whole square. For 2x plus 3 the whole square, the answer is 2x the whole square because it's like A plus B the whole square. So the answer is A square plus 2AB plus B square. A is 2x, so 2x the whole square plus 2AB. A is 2x, B is 3. So 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 the whole square. See, let me write the identity here for you so that it's more. A plus B the whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So in place of A, you're going to use 2x. In place of B, you're going to use 3. And A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. In place of A, you're going to use 2x. In place of B, 3. Now see here. A square, so 2x the whole square. Plus 2AB plus 2 into A, 2x into B, 3. Plus B square plus 3 square. Then again you can see the connector plus plus 2x minus 3 the whole square. What is that? A square minus 2AB minus 2 into A into B plus B square plus 3 square. So now let me explain with the help of the answer slide. This is what you have to do. So see here, children. See here. We know that A plus B the whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square, and A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So now this is the equation given to us. Now this 2x plus 3 the whole square should be written like this: A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then this plus sign, and 2x minus 3 the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Then in the RHS we have two brackets. We have a binomial here, or we have a binomial here. See here, two terms, and they have to be multiplied. You can see it here, 8x plus 6 into x minus 1. There is no sign in the middle. It's multiplication. 8x plus 6 into x minus 1. 8x plus 6 into x minus 1. Eight x plus 6 into x minus 1. So how do you multiply? 8x with the second bracket plus 6 with the second bracket. The first term multiplied by the second bracket. The first term multiplied by the second bracket. The second term multiplied by the second bracket. So see here, 8x into x minus 1 plus 6 into x minus 1 plus 22 as it is. Plus 22 as it is. Next, we'll have to simplify this. What is 2x the whole square? 2x into 2x. 2x the whole square means 2x into 2x. Remember that. 2x the whole square is not 2x square. 2x the whole square means 2x into 2x. What is 2x into 2x? 2 into 2 is 4. X into x is x square. We saw this in the last class. X into x is x square. Yes or no? Laws of indices. X into x. I was telling this class only, right? Or I was talking to the 9th standard. I don't know. Did I tell you about this in the last class? X into x is x squared?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you said it.
Okay. Yeah, that's what. Sometimes I get confused. I might have told the 9th standard students and assumed it for you. So you all agree that we discussed that in the last class. So 2x into 2x is 4x squared. Then 2 into 3, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12x. 3 square is 9. 2x the whole square is 4x squared. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12x, so minus 12x. And 3 square, 3 into 3 is 9. 3 square means 3 into 3 is 9. 3 square is not 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 9. 3 square, multiply 3 with itself 2 times, 9. Then here 8x into x is 8x square. 8x into minus 1. See, when you multiply 8x and minus 1, 8x is plus 8x. Plus into minus, minus. It's a very simple rule. 8x into x is 8x square. When you're multiplying 8x and minus 1, 8x and minus 1, this is a positive sign. Plus into minus, minus 8x, minus 8x. Plus 6, see, 6 into x, both are positive. 6 into x, both are positive. So plus 6x. Then plus 6 into minus 1, plus 6 into minus 1. 6 ones are 6, plus into minus, minus, minus 6. And plus 22 as it is. So now we have opened up the brackets. Let's simplify now. In the left hand side, you can see in the left hand side, you can see 4x square plus 4x square, 8x square. 4x square plus 4x square is 8x square. Like terms, adding like terms. Then plus 12x minus 12x is 0, so they get cancelled. 9 plus 9 is 18. So you can see 8x squared plus 18. Plus 12x minus 12x 0. 4x squared plus 4x squared is 8x squared. You have to add, not multiply now. With addition subtraction. Plus 4x squared plus 4x squared is plus 8x squared. Plus 9 is plus 18. In the left hand side, we have 8x squared minus 8x plus 2x. Different signs. Minus 8x plus 6x. Different signs. Subtract 2. Put the sign of the greater number. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. And this one is plus 16. Then you gather all the x terms on one side. So this will come here. This will come here. Meaning these two terms from the right hand side will come to the left hand side. And this 18 will go to the right hand side. So in the right hand side, you will have 16 and this 18 will come as minus 18. 16 minus 18. And in the left hand side, you have 8x squared. And these two will come. This 8x squared will come as minus 8x squared. And this minus 2x will come to the other side as plus 2x. 8x squared minus 8x squared, 0. Plus 8x squared minus 8x squared, 0. So we have 2x is equal to, minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. which is minus 1. So the value of x is minus 1. All right, children, please take a screenshot. Practice this sum 2-3 times. Please take a screenshot, children.
Ma'am, I can't understand the first and the third step, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, first and the third step.
The first step, this one, no?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, like the algebraic identity, ma'am. I understood how the a square and b square came, ma'am, but I don't understand how the 2ab came, ma'am.
That's what I told you, know how the identity is derived. So this is an identity. How we get these 3 terms, we will learn in the chapter algebraic identities. Now you just take it as a formula. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes,
when we
ma'am.
come to that chapter algebraic identities, you will see how the identity is derived. I think in the, yeah. All right, children, take a screenshot, children.
Ma'am, on the third step, ma'am, I don't know how that 12x came.
Yeah, this one. 2
Yes,
into
ma'am.
2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12x.
Ma'am, but they're unlike terms, no, ma'am.
You can multiply, no? Unlike terms can be multiplied. You cannot add or subtract unlike terms. You cannot add 2 and 2x. But you can multiply 2 and 2x.
Yes, ma'am.
We can addition subtraction can be performed only on like terms. Like terms, only like terms. Add, subtract only with like terms. Only with like terms. For multiplication, you can multiply and divide anything. Multiply and divide, you can do anything, like and unlike. You can multiply and divide like terms and unlike terms. But addition subtraction can be performed only on like terms. So you can multiply, like you can multiply 4x and 4xy. 4x and 4xy cannot be added because they're unlike. But you can multiply. 4 4s are 16. X into x is x squared, y. So 16x squared, y.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
All right. And what else, Swati?
Ma'am, that's it, ma'am. I can't understand the first and the second step.
Now you got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
All right, children. Children, please take a screenshot.
Look, ma'am.
All right, children. Fine, children. So that's it for today's session. Please complete your notes and share it soon. So that's it for today's session, children. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, children.